Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to introduce you to the MyHeritage DNA test kit for genealogical origins and show you the results I got. I will share my opinion on this product with you. Before we go any further, there's a MyHeritage promo code in the description below this video that lets you save 5% on your purchase. I received my kit about a week after ordering it, and now I'm gonna be able to crack it open for y'all and show you what's inside. Here's what's inside the box. So here we have the instruction manual. That's a box with a unique activation code written on the back that allows you to activate the kit online. There, those are the two swabs. It is akin to cotton swabs that we are going to utilize to gently rub the inside of the cheek in order to collect a sample of saliva fluid. Inside these vials, we are going to carefully place the tiny piece of the swab that we use to collect our saliva during the testing process. The bottles will go in this plastic bag, and the plastic bag goes in this envelope that we send back to the address that is there and that we have crossed at our own expense. The manual states that the first step is to activate the kit online. It's important because if we forget, we won't receive our results. Otherwise, the collection process is explained in detail here. There's nothing complicated. You can do it at home, all alone, in under 5 minutes. First, we start by taking a swab and rubbing it inside the mouth, against the cheek, for 30 to 60 seconds. Then we open a vial. We put the tip of the swab with which we rub the inside of the cheek, and we break this tip at the level of this little black line on the vial. Then we close the bottle tightly, and we're going to insert it into the pouch. So why are there two swabs and two tubes? Because in reality, we are going to take two samples, just in case the laboratory makes a mistake or misplaces a sample. Here, they say that for optimal results, avoid eating, drinking, chewing gum, or smoking for 30 minutes prior to taking the sample. Once we have filled the vials and placed them in the small bag, we need to place everything in this envelope. Simply affix a stamp to it and send it, addressing it right there. Here, they make it clear that the envelope must be stamped at our expense. On the manual's back, they state that results will be available in 4 to 6 weeks after sending the envelope, and that's on our online space activated with this code. Okay, I'll do off cam. Resume filming after getting my results. Well, it took a month to receive the results. During this time, the lab still sends emails to indicate the different steps of sequencing and a final email when the results are available, including the link to our MyHeritage profile that we activated with the code that was in the kit. So once connected, we arrive on this page, which is the main page of our MyHeritage profile. And to access the DNA test results, you need to go to this tab. Firstly, the overall picture. In this case, we are presented with the percentage breakdown of ethnic origins. Just beneath, the DNA matches perfectly with other MyHeritage users in the database. And all the way down, the location from which these correspondences originate, arranged in the order of croissants that are available. To get more details about the origins, you need to go to the Ethnic Origins tab. And there, we see them represented on a world map. Me, here, map of Europe, because my origins are in Europe, but it concerns the whole world. So, you can see that I am mainly Western and Northern European, 88.2%, so mostly in France and a little bit in Switzerland. I'm also 7.8% Greek and Southern Italian and 4% Italian. At this point in time, we are able to have a short interactive video if we click on this button. We will witness how it unfolds. Explore your heritage. Let's go! Well, there you go. It doesn't add anything, but it's amusing. Then, the other key tab is DNA matches. So here, we have the list of all the folks who, like me, have taken a MyHeritage DNA test and with whom I share some common DNA. As an illustration, I possess a 1.5% genetic resemblance with that particular individual situated over yonder. By clicking on this link, I can easily get in touch with him through the convenient MyHeritage messaging system. So it can be intriguing and fascinating to potentially discover parents, distant cousins, and other distant family members. However, in order to view their own family tree, they direct me to the paid subscription options. So it is a feature that you need to subscribe to. On the last tab for DNA tools, we have a total of 4 different tools that are currently available for use by subscribers. The initial 3 will enable a significantly more comprehensive search on chromosomes, DNA segments, and matches. It's not necessarily relevant for a simple genealogical search. On the other hand, the fourth one is pretty cool. Actually, we have a list of all the countries in the world by continent. And if you click on a country in New Zealand, you can see the percentage distribution of the origin of the New Zealand population, based of course on the people who have tested themselves with MyHeritage. NZ Pop, 57.7% English, 45.3% Scandinavian, etc. Cool. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with the MyHeritage test. There's a lot of information, especially considering the price, which is more than affordable, especially when compared to the competition. The only minor inconvenience is that you need to make a payment in order to have access to the complete database. To access the complete 19.4 billion document database, you must subscribe to the full plan at $13.25 per month, resulting in a total price of €159 annually. So that is the singular downside, but it is not genuinely a downside because, in reality, when you make a purchase for the kit, you have the opportunity to choose either a complimentary trial or the full plan. For 14 days, we'll have access to the database. That's more than enough to do these researches.
Concerning the price, the kit is presently priced at $39, which is a significant reduction from its original price of $89, and it also includes a complimentary trial period.
So it is clearly the most inexpensive test available in the market, and I highly recommend it if you want to learn more about your origins, your ancestors, or if you would like to find family members somewhere in the world that you did not know existed. Remember, always a MyHeritage promo code in Video Desk. That's it, end of vid. Enjoyed? Questions? Comment and I'll answer. Thanks for watching.